Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 81 sin square x plus 81 cos square x is equals to 30 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 81 we can write it as 3 power 4 power sin square x plus 3 power 4 power cos square x is equals to 30. So we can write it as 3 power 4 sin square x plus 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to 30. We know a very famous identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So sin square x we can write it as 1 minus cos square x. So here 3 power 4 sin square x I can write 1 minus cos square x plus 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to 30. So 3 power 4 minus 4 cos square x plus 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to 30. Now exponent rule, x power m minus n, we can write it as x power m by x power n. So here 3 power 4 by 3 power 4 cos square x plus 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to 30. Now I am assuming let 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to a. So it becomes 3 power 4 by a plus 3 power a is equals to 30. If we take an LCM, it becomes 3 power 4 plus a square by a is equals to 30. So 3 power 4 plus a square is equals to 30a. Or we can write this as a square minus 30a, and 3 power 4 is 81 plus 81 is equals to 0. Now it becomes a quadratic equation, so we can do the middle term split here. So a square minus 27a minus 3a plus 81 is equals to 0. So if I'll take a as common from first two terms, so a minus 27 and negative 3 as common, so a minus 27 is equals to 0. So a minus 3 and a minus 27 is equals to 0. So there are two values of a is equals to 3 and a is equals to 27. So we'll check. So we have taken in substitution, so let's put it here. When a is equals to 3. So 3 is equals to 3 power 4 cos square x. So 3 power 1 is equals to 3 power 4 cos square x. So 1 is equals to 4 cos square x, because if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 1 by 4 is equals to cos square x. So cos x is equals to 1 by 4 square root. So cos x is equals to 1 by 2. We did not accept the negative 1 because x is angle here and angle cannot be negative. So the value of negative 1 by 2 is rejected. So cos x is equals to 1 by 2 is cos 60. So x is equals to 60. Now comes to this case when a is equals to 27. A is equals to 27. So 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to 27. 3 power 4 cos square x is equals to 3 power 3. So 4 cos square x is equals to 3 and cos square x is equals to 3 by 4 and cos square x is equals to root 3 by 2 and cos x is equals to root 3 by 2. So x is equals to, so cos x is equals to cos 30, and the value of x is 30 in this case. So we have two values of x. X is equals to 60 and x is equals to 30. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.